Well, you did, what, 2 by Kai Davis, am I right?
I performed Aina o Molokai.
Yeah. And that opens your record, right?
Yes. Because Kai Davis has connections from Molokai. His family's from Molokai. And Kaulana Kikua Hivi o Halea Kala.
Nice.
A lot of those songs weren't really done by female. So I had to sort of, listen to his voice, his falsetto voice, and try and figure out, okay, is my vocals enough to sort of make that sound justice? And
well, you did something actually that's very historic in that it's happened before in reverse. You see, Lena Machado wrote all those songs like Kaulana, Ohilo, Hanakahi, and so forth. And people like Bill Ali'iloa Lincoln copied her and learned her songs and sang their imitation in male falsetto of what she had sang in female head voice earlier. So they learned from her records. So actually what you're doing is in reverse, because now you're listening to a male singer like Peter Kai Davis and his original compositions and his first recordings, and you're turning them around into a female vocalist interpretation.
Yes, that's very, very, very nice.
Yeah, it came out very well too.